Are you someone who has ever thought about healing a physical or mental issue, emotional trauma, or even a disease? If you have, then you're going to want to listen to today's video. Today, I'm going to be talking about one of the most powerful books I have read in a long time. This is a book about healing, but healing in a very new, unique, and different way than you would expect. So hello there, I'm Llewellyn Ferreira, health and wellness coach with over 25 years experience helping clients lose weight, improve their digestion, and get on a personalized nutrition program that helps them feel energized again. On this channel, we talk about all things wellness, including the connection between the physical body and the spiritual. So hit that subscribe button and keep learning how to elevate your life. So this book I'm talking about today is called Supercharged Self Healing by RJ Spina. This book is essentially a guide to accessing high-frequency states of consciousness that allow you to rejuvenate and repair your body. When we suffer from physical, mental, or emotional issues, we've been taught many external ways of healing that may or may not work, like eating healthier, exercising, taking certain supplements or medications, and looking to our physicians and health experts to give us the solutions to our issues. Well, in this book, RJ Spina tells you to leave behind everything you think you know and discover how to manifest true healing. He shares secrets he discovered through overcoming chest-down paralysis and chronic illness, and he reveals how to use energy healing to transcend suffering, find inner peace, and embrace the invincible self. This book presents a unique 7-step system that guides you through the process of energetic attunement and neural rewiring to support your wellness goals, like those related to physical illness, pain, depression, anxiety, addiction, and so much more. He is showing you how to reprogram the self for optimal well-being. This is a revolutionary book, and it provides principles and techniques you need to access higher states of consciousness and channel that energy in a way that turns off the program of illness. It contains visualizations, meditations, and mantra work. And this essential guide helps you escape the prison of your own ego and enjoy the good health and harmony that are your destiny. I started reading this book and could not put it down. It all made so much sense to me and really spoke to everything I've recently been learning about energy work. This is something I'm bringing into my practice as a wellness coach and healer myself. But on an even deeper level, I took myself through his 7-step process for my own personal healing and growth, and I have been blown away at how powerful these techniques are. These principles and techniques in this book have helped me with balancing my hormones, sleeping better, having more energy, decreasing my stress and anxiety, and just giving me more of an overall sense of calmness and balance. I've been recommending this book to all of my clients, friends, and family. This is a book that I would recommend to almost anyone. This is such important information that I feel everyone should have and that everyone can benefit from. This is stuff that I was never taught before, but I wish I had been. This information will give you a whole new perspective on healing, and more importantly, on your own healing, on your own health and wellness journey. RJ makes it clear and obvious how you've been approaching your own wellness and illness and why this approach probably hasn't been successful. You'll see clearly how we ourselves are just simply getting in the way of our true healing. This book is teaching us a new method, a different way of approaching our healing and wellness than we all have been applying. This book is truly profound and eye-opening. One of the most powerful points for me is that this information is putting the power of our healing and wellness back into our hands rather than in the hands of others. You will now know that you can seek help from others, but that the true power to heal yourself lies within. You will understand that you possess all that you need for true healing and wellness right inside of you. You just have to learn how to tap into it, and you will. You will gain so many benefits from reading Supercharged Self Healing, like building self-awareness, intuitive eating, less pain and discomfort, confidence in reaching your wellness goals, better relationships with yourself and others, a greater sense of inner peace and calmness, a deeper connection to everything, and just a profound state of coherence and balance. Now, who wouldn't want all that? As I am bringing more and more of the world of energy healing into my work with clients, this book has really helped me add a new layer to my coaching. I love providing the guidance to help people tap into these kinds of tools. And there is nothing that makes me happier than to watch my clients realizing and living the benefits of that. I'm sharing this book with you because I want every single person to benefit from this kind of healing. You'll find a link right below for the book. And if you're interested in exploring these concepts with me and learn more about my energetic work, reach out and let's connect. If you pick up this book, please let me know in the comments what you think about it. So just as a reminder, hit that subscribe button for more excellent recommendations on your wellness, and I will see you soon.